Welcome. In front of me is the Honor 9A, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me looks to be right over here in the corner. So once you find it, you can hold it. This will take you to the settings where you will be able to customize how it functions. So primary things that I would recommend you to change is things like calls and messages, so you can change who can call you and message you. Now, additionally, you can also set up a schedule, so it will turn on and off automatically at the provided time and the day of the week. Now, for the schedule, if you're planning to use that, just make sure that this is toggled on right here, like so. For everybody else that plans to use it manually, then once you set it up, all you need to do is tap on the toggle right here, select enable, and there we go. It's now turned on, as you can see next to the NFC logo. This moon icon. And once you're done with it, you can simply tap on it again to turn it off. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.